Once again, welcome to Cambymatics. Today we'll be taking another question on WAEC. This is a WAEC question. If you are coming for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like and also comment. If possible, kindly share. A man invested 20,000 in Bank A and 25,000 in Bank B, and at the beginning of a year, Bank A pays simple interest at a rate of Y% per annum, and B pays 1.5% per annum. If his total interest at the end of the year from the two banks was 4,600, find the value of Y. This kind of question look intimidating in WAEC, but they are very simple questions that give you more marks if you are to solve them. Now let's dive into this. Let's solve this problem. First of all, you remember you recall the formula for simple interest from JSS 3. Now simple interest is equivalent to principal amount, principal times time, or rate times time. Then you divide this by 100, which is in percent. Because of dividing it with the rate, we don't put percentage. So this is the same thing. You can summarize. This is I, this is I, this is P. So interest is equals to P times R times T divided by 100. So now, if you follow me to this, so from the first sentence here, given from the problem that we have, it say the man invested 20% in Bank A. So interest in Bank A will be equals to, the principal amount is 20,000 naira. Is 20,000 multiplied by the rate that is given there is Y, multiplied by the time is per annum, so definitely that will be 1, since only 1 year. So multiply by 100, so this will give us the same thing as these two zeros will cancel two zeros. We are left with 200 here. So the interest that will be gotten here is 200Y. I hope you are following. So the next one is interest in Bank B. In Bank B will be equals to, the amount in Bank B given is 25,000 naira. So this will be 25,000 multiplied by 1.5. Yes, 1.5. Then multiply by 1. All we divide it by 100. So this, you see, two zeros will cancel two zeros here. Now this 0 multiply, that is 10. 10 times 1.5 will give us 15. So this will give us the same thing as 25 times 15. We can multiply that one. 25 times 15. So let's multiply it this way. 25 times 15. This is 5 times 5 is 5, carry 2. 5 times 5 is 5 times 2 is 10 plus this 120. 5 times 2 is 5. 1 times 2, it will give us 2. So when you sum this one here, you will have 7. Then you have this one to be 3. So this is the same thing as the interest you will get in Bank B is 375 naira. So, but this is not what we are asked to actually solve. Now look at the question. The question, the last sentence said, if his total interest at the end of the year from the two banks was 4,600. So what we'll do is that we'll sum the interest of Bank A and Bank B and equate it to 4,600. So here we'll come here, we'll have interest in Bank A plus Bank B is equals to 4,600. So the first interest that we had was 200 y. Then the next one is plus, we have 375, which is equal to, we have this 4,600. So now we'll collect like terms. We'll have 200, naira will go with everything. So 200y is equals to 4,600 minus 375. So let's subtract this one here. So when we subtract this, we have 200 is equals to 4,225. So we divide both sides. We divide both sides by 200. So this is the same thing as 200y divided by 200 equals to 4,225 divided by 200. So this will kick out this one. We are left with y equals to, now how many times? Let's take 4,200 here. How many times can 4,200 divide by this? So this will go with this one. Then we'll have 21. So this is 21. We are left with 25 here. So that 25 divided by 200 cannot. So when you add 0 here, it will be 250. So this will also give us what? 1. What is left here is 50. So 50 divided by 200 cannot. So when you add 0 here, then definitely you have 400 inside here. 400 divided by 200 is 2. Then we are still left with 100. 100 divided by 200 cannot. So when you add 0 is 1,000. 1,000 divided by this will give us what? 5. So the rate approximately, which is why we give us approximately 21%. That's the value of y that we have. So the interest rate of Bank A, which was y from the question calculated, is 21%. I hope you understand this and will come to the end of our class. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.